drive 500, 600 and 1000 power settings. To begin, press and hold square for 3 seconds. To enter programming mode, buzzer beeps twice, which indicates we have now entered program mode. Scroll to the left to advanced menu. Press and release square to enter. Scroll to the right until you reach power settings. Press and release square to enter. Battery charger will be displayed. This option allows you to disable the onboard battery charger, where a larger capacity battery intelligent charger will be utilized. It is also used in conjunction with solar panel kits. By disabling the built-in charger, you remove the possibility of interference with external chargers diagnostics. Press and release square. It's currently enabled. Scroll to the right to disable it. Save. In order to disable the AC monitoring, scroll to the right. This option allows you to disable the mains failure monitoring on sites where a solar panel system will be used as well. Currently disabled. To enable it, scroll to the right, enable, press and release square. To exit, press and release X, power settings exit. We are back to the advanced menu. Press and release X, exit again. And we have returned to the programming menu.